If you are tired of watching your hard-earned money slip away to software subscriptions, it's time to change that. I've spent some serious time searching for top-quality, free software that'll do everything those pricey programs are charging you for. Without the subscription fees, you won't believe how much you can do with these tools, and they're all completely free. So, let's explore some game-changing options. If you're a content creator or streamer, you've probably heard of OBS Studio. But if not, you're in for a treat. OBS Studio is a free powerhouse for both live streaming and screen recording. Whether you're doing tutorials, gaming streams, or anything in between, it's packed with features like custom scenes, overlays, and the ability to stream to multiple platforms. No watermarks, no restrictions, just pure professional-grade streaming power, all for free. For those who need an Office suite that doesn't come with a price tag, WPS Office Suite is a must-try. It's smooth, fast, and fully compatible with Microsoft Office files, making it perfect for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Plus, it features extra tools like free PDF editing and built-in templates to refine your work. All the power of paid Office suites, but with a lighter and easier-to-use interface. When it comes to creative software, Blender is hands down one of the best free tools you'll find. Whether you're into 3D modeling, animation, or visual effects, Blender is packed with features that make it a go-to choice for professionals in film and gaming. It's completely free and supported by a massive community that shares tutorials and resources. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can create jaw-dropping designs. Speaking of creativity, DaVinci Resolve is another free gem you should know about. Hollywood studios use this video editing software for high-end color grading and editing. Now, you can have access to those same tools for free. It may take some time to master, but once you do, the results will speak for themselves. When it comes to online security, Bitwarden is a game changer. This password manager is free, open source, and keeps your passwords safe across all your devices. No more worrying about weak passwords or the hassle of forgetting them. Plus, you can trust that it's built with transparency and security in mind. 7-Zip is another must-have in your software arsenal. It's a lightweight file compression tool that creates smaller files, often 5 to 15% smaller than those produced by other paid options. It's compatible with formats like ZIP, RAR, and 7Z, and integrates seamlessly with Windows for quick and easy file compression. Oh, and it's free too. For audio editing, Audacity is the go-to free tool that's been trusted by podcasters, musicians, and creators for years. Whether you're recording or editing audio, Audacity makes it simple. It's as powerful as the premium options, and because it's free, you get all the features without the ongoing cost. If coding is your thing, Visual Studio Code is one of the best free IDEs you can get. Lightweight, fast, and fully customizable, it's packed with features like smart code suggestions and Git support. With an extensive library of extensions, it's easy to tailor VS Code to any language or framework you need, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced developers. For graphic designers and photographers, GIMP is the free image editor that does everything. With advanced features like layers, masks, and retouching tools, you can create and edit images just like you would with Photoshop, but without the steep subscription fees. It's a fantastic alternative for anyone looking to elevate their design work on a budget. Last but certainly not least, VLC Media Player is a free and essential tool you may not have known you needed. It's the most reliable media player out there, supporting nearly every video and audio format. Whether you're playing videos, converting files, or streaming media, VLC does it all, and it's 100% free. That's the roundup. These free programs help you save some serious cash while keeping your work top-notch. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and free software recommendations. And if you have any favorite free software tools, share them in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to check out my next video, Top 5 Free AI Tools That Will Change How You Work. It's packed with even more ways to cut costs and get the most out of your tech setup. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.